Hi, everyone. Welcome back. I'm Courtney from the Moccamaster USA Consumer Relations team. And in this video, we're going to talk more about cleaning and maintaining your Moccamaster. So you can wipe down the outside of your brewer with a soft microfiber cloth. And we don't recommend using any kind of harsh chemicals to clean either the inside or the outside of your machine. Pretty much anything you don't want to be drinking. In order to ensure the longevity of parts like the brew baskets, lids, carafe, and outlet arm, you'll want to make sure to wash them by hand with warm soapy water and never put them in the dishwasher. To clean the inside of your brewer, you'll want to either use one of our recommended descalers or cleaners. Calcium and mineral deposits are typically white in color, and you can remove these with one of our recommended descalers. It's going to be important to descale your Moccamaster regularly for optimal performance. Cleaners, on the other hand, are going to remove any organic material from your brewer. So if you have any discoloration in your water reservoir or any coffee oils. You may clean your brewer as often as needed. And you can learn more about cleaning and descaling your Moccamaster in our cleaning and descaling video in the link below. Thank you so much.